If your Ring Chime has no light and stopped working, follow these steps to get your alerts back online in minutes. Statistically, most Ring Chime failures are simply power-related, often due to a loose wall connection or a tripped circuit. Let's diagnose the hardware first before we dive into the software settings. Start by confirming the outlet is actually providing power, then firmly reseat the device and check your home's breaker panel. Consider these three common culprits, ranging from simple outlet overloads to potential internal hardware damage. If power is good, check the Ring app to see if the device is showing as offline and attempt a factory reset. Try moving to a different outlet first, but if you notice a burning smell or physical damage, it is time for a replacement. Most users find that simply moving the device to a different outlet solves the problem immediately. For advanced recovery, remove the device from your account, perform a hard reset, and re-add it from scratch. Have your smartphone, your Wi-Fi password, and a paperclip ready in case you need to press a recessed reset button. Remember, persistence is key with smart home hardware. Don't give up until you have tested at least 2 different outlets. If these steps didn't fix it, contact Ring support for a potential warranty claim. Thanks for watching.